Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Job Updates Pro. In today's video, we are going to discuss about an amazing opportunities. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I am going to cover all the important things that you need to know before applying. So let's get started with our first update, that is from Citi. It is hiring for the role of App Develop Programmer Analyst 2 and the work location for this role is Pune. The minimum qualification required for this role is bachelor's degree from any university. And the experience required for this role is 0 to 2 years. That means freshers and candidates up to 2 years of experience can apply for this role. Also, you need to have experience in programming or debugging using business applications. Also, you need to have working knowledge of industrial practice and standards. In this role, you need to conduct testing and debugging. Also, you need to write basic codes for design specifications. Also, you need to identify and analyze issues and make recommendations and also implement solutions for the issue that has been caused. You also need to utilize business processes, system processes, and industrial standards to solve complex issues. This is a good opportunity for freshers and candidates up to 2 years of experience. So make sure to apply for this role as soon as possible. Moving on to our next update, that is from HSBC. This company is hiring for the role of data analyst and the work location for this role is Mumbai. This role comes under branch and retail banking department. The minimum qualification required for this role is bachelor's or master's degree in mathematics, statistics, computer science, engineering, economics, or any related branches. Fresh graduates are eligible for this role. For this role, you need to have strong quantitative and analytical abilities. Also, you need to have abilities to solve complex problems and interpreting data. You should also have ability to explain technical concepts to non-technical audience and collaborate effectively in the diverse team. Mainly, you need to have basic knowledge of data analytics tools like Python, Locker, Power BI, SQL, GCP, BigQuery. Also, you need to have curiosity about emerging technologies and trends in data analytics. You also need to have ability and willingness to contribute fresh ideas and challenge the status. For this role, you also need to maintain clear documentation of campaign analytics processes, methodologies, and findings to ensure transparency and knowledge sharing in your respective teams. So this is a good opportunity for freshers. So make sure to apply for this role before 19th June 2026. Moving on to our next update, that is from Hyzen. This company is hiring for the role of associate software engineer and the work location for this is Hyderabad and it is a remote location job. The qualification required for this role is bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering, or any related field. The experience required for this role is 0 to 2 years of experience in software engineering. So both freshers and candidates up to 2 years of experience are eligible to apply. Coming to the skills, you need to have proficiency in at least one programming language such as Python, Java, JavaScript or TypeScript or any other languages. Also, you need to have understanding of basic software development concepts, OOPS, data structures and algorithms. Also, you need to have knowledge with databases such as SQL and NoSQL, also REST APIs. You also need to have basic knowledge of version control systems such as Git. Coming to the compensation, this company is offering 6 to 8 lakhs of fixed plus performance basis bonus along with ESPOs. And this compensation will be based on your skills, experience and based on your interview performance. So we can say that this is a good opportunity for freshers as well as for candidates with 0 to 2 years of experience. Moving on to our final update for today, that is from Accenture. Accenture is hiring for the role of web developer associate and the experience required for this role is 0 to 2 years. So freshers and candidates up to 2 years of experience are eligible to apply. And this is a full-time role and work location is Gurugram. Qualification required for this role is any graduate in any discipline are eligible to apply. Coming to the skills, you need to have knowledge of HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. Also, you need to have ability to perform under pressure and also you need to have good written and verbal communication skills. Also, you need to have strong problem solving skills and have an ability to meet any deadlines. So if you are interested with this role, make sure to apply as soon as possible. All the job application links are mentioned in the video description below. Just scroll down, click on the respective links that you are interested with and apply to the official company portals that have that I have mentioned in the video description. And most importantly, if this video has helped you, please like and subscribe our channel Job Updates Pro for more latest job updates. Also share this video with your friends and family who are actively looking for jobs. Thank you so much for watching and see you all in the next video.